expand, then simplify using the pattern. So we have to the exponent of 4, if we draw Pascal's triangle off to the side here, we're going to have to use this row that has 5 numbers. So 3b minus 1 to the 4 is going to equal, and I'll rewrite those numbers. We have 1 and then 4. I'll space them out here. 6, 4, 1. Those will be our coefficients. Because the exponent is 4, this is telling us here that there are going to be 5 terms when you expand it. And so we're using the row that has 5 numbers, so we have a coefficient for each term. Now, what happened to each of the variables? When we had x and y, we would have started with x to the 4. But we don't have x now, we have 3b. So we would have 3b to the 4. And then the next one would have 3b cubed. Then 3b squared. Then 3b. And the last one won't have any. With the negative 1s. The first one won't have any negative 1s. The second one will have 1 negative 1. The third one would have 2 negative 1s. Then 3 negative 1s. Then 4 negative 1s. So whatever is your first term, you would have 4 of that term to begin with and go down by 1 each time. And whichever is your second term in the binomial, you don't have any of those to begin with and go up. And you add all of these up together. Now in this situation, it said expand, then simplify. So you're going to have to do some exponent rules. 3 to the exponent of 4. 81 times 1 will be 81. B to the 4 plus 4 times, I'll just do this one step at a time. I'll do my exponent laws first. Negative 1 cubed is negative 1. And negative 1 to the power 4 will be plus 1. So I just expanded all my exponents first. And now I'll multiply my numbers together. So I get 81b to the 4 plus negative 4 times 27. I guess I can just make that minus 108b cubed plus 54b squared minus 12b plus 1. So, questions to practice your binomial expansions, questions 3 and 4. Oh, it's Beethoven's 5th, not 9th. Uh-oh. Maybe I got the right song, hopefully. Should really get my facts straight. What's that? Triangle is supposed to, it's easy. You don't have to really memorize it. Can you add 1 plus 1? Then you're set. Okay. There you go. You'll be able to do your math better now. It's such a good song. So I don't think he did it on purpose because he didn't use actual Fibonacci numbers. It happens in bar 372 of 601. And if you do 601 divided by 372, the golden ratio is 1.618, and that happens at 1.616. It's really close. And he does the same thing in the coda. Too many cool numbers, I know. And we haven't even started talking about 73. Yeah. How many dots do you need to make a triangle? 3. Good point. If I pick those same points in a different order, do I get a different triangle?
Oh.
No. So it's a combinations question.
So just non-choose them.
Perfect.
What? How do you do it? Hey, combinations? Not choosing. Is it to choose? Wait, did you mark that quiz?
Yes, but I haven't put it into the computer yet.
I'm mad that I got the quiz. Oh yeah, we did a quiz, Mom. I'm mad that I got the quiz from Mom.
You still need to say math.
I passed.
But like, this is barely.
We haven't done these yet.
Oh.
You can do that one, but we haven't done these ones. Next class. I'll be right back. apparently.
I heard that was when you're a baby. I thought it was like in the I want to see how
That's right. It's only when you're a baby. And then later on, if you listen to me, you get smart. Just kidding.
That's all like x cubed and then
3x squared and 2I to the 1. Only one of them, right?
Wait, where's the thing? How do you look at the picture? Oh, that's so nice. Look at that.
So nice.
I'm so pretty.
That's a lot. That's like a main account.
Ava left her camera at my house.
Whose camera? Oh, I don't know Ava.
Wait, is it like her actual camera or is it for school?
All right. Quickly take 10 pictures of me drinking coffee.
So dramatically
We're
drinking
gonna zoom
coffee.
in. We're gonna, okay.
Really close.
Worried.
Thank you, man.
What if the coffee goes cold?
Like, concerned.
She's so funny. She's like, no, dude, I just have fun. And she's
It's going to be so weird. The song's going to end perfectly. And the bell rings. What? That, I was just like pretending that that would be so funny if that happened perfectly. And the song ends and the bell rings. Crazy. Cray cray. Oh my goodness. I recorded the whole song